Hi, my name is Pete Gutwein, and today we've been talking about some minor repairs that you can do to your walk-behind mower. The next thing that common problem that people have is an uneven cut on their grass, and the quickest way to do that would be to balance your deck. And most mowers, such as this one down here, has numbers actually on the height adjusters. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the different numbers here. I haven't adjusted the deck on this one, and right away I noticed that the front wheel on this one is on number 3, and then this one's number 2. So we're going to go ahead and put this one on number 3. So his deck wasn't cutting straight. And then we're going to go ahead and look at the back wheels, and this one's on number 3, and this one also is on number 3. Now this is a little bit nicer of a mower. Have numbers on them. Another way that you can do that is you can go ahead and use a tape measure, and you can actually measure the distance from the ground to the edge of the deck. The proper way to do this would be to measure not to the edge of the deck, but to the actual edge of the blade inside. But that you could do that if you think you can get your tape measure and do that way. That would work, but there is a special tool that you can buy that goes under the edge of your deck, and then you can measure it that way. But we're just going to go on this one. It's a nice flat deck, so we can measure it side to side. And really, as far as the cut goes, the most important thing is side to side. You actually want the front just a hair lower, but usually the manufacturer takes care of that for you. So we're going to go ahead and measure the side. And on this one, it's at 1.5 inches on the left over here. And it's 1.5 inches on the right. So this one looks in good shape, and it should have a real nice even cut.